Hello friends, my name is Ashutosh and you are watching Dynamic Impulsion. In today's video, we will talk about United Nations. So definitely watch the video till the end. By the way, it's our first English video. So if we see good response in it, we start making English videos also. So first of all, let us know about United Nations. The United Nations is an international organization currently consisting of 193 members whose objectives are international security, economic development, social progress, human rights and world peace. It was established on 26 October 1945 after the Second World War. There are many rules of United Nations which are followed by the member countries. The winning countries of World War II together established the United Nations. These countries wanted that there should be no next World War in the coming times. These countries include America, Russia, France and United Kingdom. Now let us know about 6 principal organs of United Nations. First, General Assembly. Second, Security Council. Third, the Economic and Social Council. Fourth, the Trusteeship Council. Fifth, International Court of Justice. And sixth, Secretariat. First, General Assembly. In this, all the member countries of the United Nations talk on all the subjects, different topics under the Declaration of the Nation and consider the question. It's also known as World Parliament because it looks and works like Parliament. Second, Security Council. It has 5 permanent members who have veto power including USA, United Kingdom, France, Russia and China. In this also the member countries meet together and talk on different topics of defense. Third, Economic and Social Council. This council strives to effect international peace through social problems. Currently, its members are 54. The term of each member varies in 3 years. It's very easy to understand by its name also. Fourth, Trusteeship Council. This council has 5 members and its members were not self-governing after the Second World War. Its purpose is to keep peace and security. The permanent member of Security Council is the member of Trusteeship Council also. Fifth, International Court of Justice. This court is permanent court of justice at the International Court of Justice. It is located in Hague. This court is always operational except on holidays, in which 15 judges are elected by the General Assembly of United Nations. Sixth, the Secretariat. Secretariat is headed by the Secretary General of the United Nations Secretariat. The Secretariat receives important information about the rest of organs. The Secretary General himself chooses the employees. By the way, it's very important organ of the United Nations. Let's end this video here. See you in the next one. Goodbye. Dynamic Impulsion.